working in a company called Online Advanced Systems Solutions. Online Systems integrator reseller of HP. And so that gave me the opportunity to work in PR with the marketing team. There was really no one to mentor me in terms of like technology PR. But I had to learn many things on my own, interview a lot of people, learn everything I need from that company. And I enjoyed it. And eventually HP came to me, and I made to launch HP in the Philippines. And then after that, things opened doors for us, like opportunities came knocking. After that, there was an opportunity naman for Cisco. It was the start of the internet, so it was an exciting time. Ako naman, I'm just really brave. Kasi I don't really know enough sa technology. However, I found a niche. I will package myself as the expert in PR for technology. I formed the company. I printed the business card. Then there was a client who gave me my first laptop. He gave that to me as a down payment and armed with a lot of guts and courage. I was in my early 30s, and at the time, I was a single mother. We also started our events management company called Events at Work. By demand also, because we had clients like Cisco, they needed a PR agency and an events company. After that, opportunities just came knocking on our doors, and I really am, I would say, very lucky to see the clients were really sometimes top multinational companies. We also launched companies like Netflix in the Philippines. We also handled Twitter when it was still Twitter, and we are one of the longest agencies that handle them. We enjoyed a 9-year relationship. So now we're still enjoying that more than a decade relationship with smart communications. We had companies like Dell, eventually, and the technology clients, Herbalife. We have Platform and Emirates. So medyo diversified na talaga yung this portfolio of our clients. We're still very much alive, and opportunities are still coming our way. So VR is about relationship building, and an important stakeholder will be the media. I go to different editors. I actually do the rounds myself. I go to each publication. I actually enjoy having lunches and spending time getting to know you, the media, the more early journalists, and the editors. I actually had a really good relationship with this group called the Cyber Press. We supported all the activity of Cyber Press. Me and Jingjing Romero, we were considered Ninans of the Cyber Press. In fact, I met my husband there, si Jing, and even the young members of our team should get to know the media, should read what they write, should appreciate them, respect them. very humbling. My home became home office. In Baclaran, we started sa dining room, and we had a part-time messenger, part-time secretary, a writer, and then a staff. Isa lang ang computer namin, so we take turns using that. Then, we moved to Makati kasi dami na namin meeting. But we moved to an apartment in Makati also, where we live upstairs. And then after that, we moved to another office, so medyo upgrade na ng konti. The real legacy is when you nourish and you empower people, when you mentor them, and they become successful at what they do. And we also learn. It's a never-ending learning for me as well. Just we balance it with what the younger generation has to offer. And there's so much, and seeing them bloom, seeing them become successful, I'm very proud. For me, that's more than all the awards, that's more than all the prestigious things. I'm always very proud of, past and even present employees. Today, on our 30th year, me, Tina Dominguez,